Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's about 11:15 a.m. and about 44 degrees on this Sunday morning. The sun is out, sky is blue. I'm hoping we get enough sun and heat to start drying the lanes out. There's still standing water here in the lane right here I'm standing next to. And you can see the mud. I'm not sure if you get that glare, the reflection of the water that's on it. Yeah, this ground is just been saturated so bad. It has no place to go. It's just clay. It doesn't soak into the soil, into the ground very fast because of it's not good for drainage. Needs some sand or something mixed in with this stuff. But so we have hopes of a drier afternoon as far as the ground. Well, the sun's going away. It's behind the clouds. Ah, you gotta hang on. Watch out. Yeah, hungry. I'll have to go give the pigs aside some hay, and then I'll be back with some green. Hang on, Harold. Oil pig. Everybody standing there waiting for food. Well, got everybody fed. I only got one egg today. It was clean until I rolled it through the pen trying to get it from under the shelf there. Harold's in here sharing his grain. Not that he wants to, or like he has to. Petunia's only got one baby over here. So she's also wearing grain because she wouldn't get out of the way. Well, the outside pigs are all happy. Penelope thinks they got something better for her. But I don't. Not today. Well, as you can see, the clouds are moving in. The wind's picked up some. It is cold out here. I don't know what degrees it is, but too cold for me to be out here. Wife's got some meat in here smoking for Sunday dinner. Oh, poor little goats. You gotta stay in this little pen here. You'll love it this summer. You get to run around the field. Odo's out here fixing the brakes and the YJ. It was getting where it wouldn't stop. Well, this makes sense when the brakes don't work. This shoe right here is broken. Here Odo's finishing up replacing the brakes. He's trying. Only if he had spring pliers. Well, the goats had a pretty good day out here. It's been kind of warm most of the day. A slight breeze, but not too bad. Well, thank you very much for watching on this Sunday. Have a great evening.